Sometimes life gets too busy and you need to use some inspiration to jumpstart your ideas. Well, that's where the Counterfeit Kit Club comes into play. They come up with a kit that they are going to counterfeit or use as inspiration to pull from their stash. And when you're out of time, you go pull something super quick and not very many things either. So my perfect world is I would have 3 pieces of pattern paper, 2 pieces of color coordinating cardstock, and some stickers. That would be like ideal. And so we're going to make a mini kit today based on the Felicity kit from Tracy Reed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the papers that I chose. I'm going to pull some embellishments to help me tell my stories and then work on some layouts with you. So I was looking through my stash and I love to look at collection kits. Well, the collection kit that kind of stuck out to me was this one from Ice Cream Social from Dare to Be Artsy. And you can kind of see the similarities between this kit, color scheme, and Felicity. This has way more blue and some different browns. However, they are similar at the same time. So for example, you can see a dark pink, light pink, light pink, lighter pink, you know, a blue. There's a blue, green. We've got some green in here, even though it's kind of like a limey green. There's dark green, medium green, light green, and then brown. Now this brown is a lot darker than this brown, but you can kind of see in this waffle cone pattern here a lighter brown. So here's page number 1, and you can see I have a front and a back option. Page number 2 is going to have words on it, and it matches. It also has a tone-on-tone dot if I choose to go that route, but I think I want the text. And then a piece of paper here that's clouds. Dark blue on the other side that doesn't really match, but that teal blue. And then the waffle cone. So that is from the Ice Cream Social. It also has this little guy on the background, so I could choose to go this route or this route, but I pulled it specifically for that waffle cone. So I pulled these 4 pages from another kit, and that's one way you can speed up the process too. You pull a kit that represents the same colors and then just grab what's already in the embellishments. So what was already in here is 2 sticker sheets, one from Retro Summer by Simple Stories, and then Fun in the Sun by Echo Park. This is really old, but it has the bright, fun, happy colors. It's a summer theme and that kind of thing. And it's got ice cream cones, which matches perfectly with the theme of this kit. So I've got that. And then I also purchased the stamp and die set that coordinates with the Dare to Be Artsy. And it is that little adorable raccoon. So what I did is I stamped the raccoon ice cream and ice cream truck and colored it in with coordinating Distress Oxide colors. So I have those as an option for embellishments, and I will just keep whatever I don't use in with that. Just super cute. Look at how cute that is. Yay. And what's great about this stamp and die set is these dies will actually cut out the raccoons that are in this page. So I could have just cut a couple of them out, use the dies, and cut these. But I wanted to play a little bit with coloring, so I went ahead and just colored it myself. Super cute. Love those. I also didn't want to waste this waffle paper because this waffle paper is super fun. Really fun. And then I grabbed some color coordinating cardstock, some bases. So these pieces are just from the teal color swatch ephemera stackers. This is a 6x6 pad, 6x6 pad, and 6x6 pad. And that's about it. I might pull other things in for my layouts, but I have a couple photos already chosen. We've got this with my son in a crazy face with dark chocolate all around his face. And then me and my son with a popsicle. Perfect for the Ice Cream Social theme of my kit. So when you're out of time, grab a couple papers, pull them out of an already existing kit. I could have totally just used these and been done. But I decided to go the extra mile and use my stamps. And what's great about this is I didn't even pull the dies out of here. I used my brother's scan and cut to cut these out. And it looks great. I ended up changing my mind on the paper that I wanted to use. So I pulled this Retro Summer from Simple Stories. I Scream, You Scream is the name of that paper. I still have the piece from Dare to Be Artsy. And I have the cut apart cards left, and then a little bit of this. I really had playing with this honeycomb, this waffle cone pattern, and the sprinkles. So I'm going to show you what I made. I made one layout and several cards. So here is my layout. You can see I used that peachy color for my ice cream on the bottom, some melty chocolate with sprinkles, and the waffle cone with a little bit of chocolate down there as well. And then splattered some brown on here with my little critters and a radio, some stickers, just super cute. You Had Me at Ice Cream is the title of that. I did pop this up on foam. These pieces are popped up on foam to give it a little bit of a dimension. Yeah, super cute, fun layout. This sketch comes from 30 Days of Sketches with Christie's Beautiful Life. It would have been March 23rd was the day that we had this sketch. And it just stuck out to me because it had a ice cream cone. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. Now I decided not to make a second layout because I really want to use the red, white, and blue colors. And that's not really what's in this collection, so that's okay. But I did make cards. So I've got one here. Tomorrow we can eat broccoli, but today we eat ice cream. Calories don't count on your birthday. Which I think is super cute. And then I used some leftovers to make this one. You stole my heart, just don't steal my ice cream. Same saying. And these sayings actually come from the Raccoon Party stamp set. I stamped them twice so that I had some options when making my cards. And then this is a cut apart card that I cut down and then I matted with this brown sprinkle paper. I just really like this brown sprinkle paper paired with the waffle cone. So I added a little bit of glitter, or this is actually the iridescent glitter by Tailored Expressions, and I just painted that on. I did the same thing here with the sign and the flags. And then I added these little pieces here. I thought these kind of look like cookies. And so that's why I added them in a couple different places on my layout and then on my card as well. So that's pretty good. One layout and 5 cards out of a little mini kit. And I still have leftover paper. Your paper does go very far. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.